Hi everyone, welcome to database tutorial. Well, today I am going to show you how we can replace a data source without affecting our visuals which are already created by that data source. So here I have my data source of Netflix titles. I have another data source which I want to replace it with. First of all, I will add the Disney Plus titles data source to Tableau. So I will go to data, new data source, and I will add my Disney Plus titles data source and I will open it. So now I have added my Disney Plus titles data source. Now let's go to the visual which has already been created with Netflix titles. So this data set has already been created with Netflix titles. I am replacing it with Disney Plus titles. So for it I will go to data and here I will go to replace data source. Here current is Netflix titles. So I will select my current data source and I want to replace it with Disney Plus titles. I can select my data source of replacement from here. And if I want to replace it for current worksheet only, that option is also present here. So I want to replace it for all the worksheets. So I will click on OK now. Tableau has itself replaced the Netflix titles with Disney Plus titles columns. Some of the columns which were not replaced is this Netflix titles count. This column was not replaced. So for it, what I can do, I can go to drop down arrow and I can click on replace references. From here I can select with which column I want to replace my previous column. So this Netflix titles I want to replace with Disney Plus titles. I will click on OK. So that will be replaced and easily I can see that my visual is again ready and again Disney Plus titles count has been replaced with Netflix count has been replaced with Disney Plus count. So like this we can easily replace the column. We can easily show Tableau that what is the reference for the previous column, which new column is referencing that previous column. Like this we can replace the previous column and all those visuals which were created with Netflix titles will be replaced with Disney Plus titles. And as we can see, if any column is not able to replace, if any reference is not seen in a new data set, then we can see a explanation, red explanation mark, and then we can manually go and replace the reference. But for others where no explanation mark, we are not seeing any. In that case, all the columns have been very well replaced from the previous ones. So like this we can easily in 2 steps replace our previous data source with our new data source. So that's it for today. When you have any queries, you can simply ask. We will meet in the next video now. Till then, take care and happy learning.